What happens when you divide any whole number or natural number by 1? So if you divide any whole number, suppose you have 3, and if you divide it by 1, you'll get 3 as the answer, right? So 3 is a whole number, 3 is a natural number. If you divide any whole or natural number by 1, you'll always get back the same, that number. Now, is it true for integers also? So suppose you have, in this case, 3 is an integer. Of course, 3 is a whole number, 3 is a natural number, 3 is a positive integer. So since 3 divided by 1 gives 3, what if this is minus 3 divided by 1? So minus 3 divided by 1, if you remember, that the simple method is just forget for a moment this minus sign, forget it for a moment, and divide 3 by 1. So you will get 3, and put a minus sign here because your division contains a negative integer, right? Now if you see that, you got back this minus 3. So this was minus 3 here as a numerator. You are dividing minus 3 by 1, and you got minus 3 as a result of this division. So doesn't matter whether your number is positive, suppose A is positive, or A is negative, doesn't matter whether positive or negative integer. If you divide any integer by 1, you'll always get back the same integer as the result, same integer, as we saw here in these examples, in the above examples. So whole number, natural number, or integer, if you divide them by 1, you'll always get back that number.